Hey Siri, open the blinds 80%.
Okay, I set the curtain to 80%.
Hey everyone! Today we're going to be installing these Beasen smart shades. They are compatible with various smart devices and can be programmed to be fully autonomous using your smart home system. Today we'll be installing the blinds with the motor that works with the Apple HomeKit. There are various other motor types that is written on their website that you can check out to figure out what motor you need. You can customize your roller shades more on the Beasen Home website for your specific window. I've chosen this roller shades that's 100% blackout linen in the color stone. Included in the box, we have a USB-C cable. I'm going to be only using this inside, so I don't need the DC powered cable that you can also get. We also need our expansion screws, our 5-channel remote. You can also get a 15-channel remote, our instruction manual, a solar panel to charge it, as well as our blind. To get started, all you have to do is clip off the mounting brackets from the blinds and install it to your window frame. Just mark where you want to place it on the window frame, and using the appropriate screws and anchors, you can put it in place. Be sure that you know the type of material that your wall is made of so you can use the anchors as needed. Finally, you can install your blinds onto the window brackets very easily within a second.
Let's quickly look at setting up the remote settings. So every battery motor automatically comes with pre-programmed settings when it leaves the factory. And the motor is placed on sleep mode. So we would have to wake it up before starting. But it has like pre-programmed settings already that we can use. And if you don't like the settings, you can also adjust it yourself. And this is our 5-channel remote, and included is this bracket for installation to the wall, some screws, as well as our batteries. So we just input the batteries before we get started with the pre-programmed settings. After you wait for those 2 seconds, you're going to see a motor response that will jog one time. Your motor is activated.
Here, I'm going to be controlling it with the Apple Home app from my Apple device. And I have to make sure that my Bluetooth is turned on for this. And once that's happened, I can go into the app itself and set scenes or adjust any settings. This process can also be fully automated if you have your whole Apple Home system. You can also do this with Amazon Alexa as well as Google devices with the appropriate motors. Charging the blinds motor is very easy. You just have to plug in the USB cable on the USB port with which you can provide direct power, or you can use a solar panel like I'm using right here. The motors only need to be charged twice a year of up to 6 hours. While in use, the blinds are nearly silent. And not only that, they also operate very smoothly as it goes up and down in one motion. These roller shades are good at blocking out all sunlight and UV rays. It darkens up the room almost immediately. Now, I do have some light seeping in from the sides, but you can easily fix this by getting the light blocker accessory from their website. There's also various remote settings that this device has. You're able to customize adjusting the upper and lower limits, adding your favorite positions, changing to tilt mode, as well as doing group control with your 5-channel remote settings. If you have multiple blinds around the house, you can do group control to control all your blinds and define a channel to control multiple motors.
There's a bunch of settings that you can use when you're programming your remote. I'm gonna show you two of them. The first one is tilt mode, and normally this is my 5-channel remote. So normally when I just press the up and down arrows, it just goes to its upper and down lower limits unless I stop it using this stop button right here. So this is the roller mode, and I can put it in a mode called the tilt mode, which basically I just have to press the upper, let's put it up there, just so it's all the way to the top. And I'm gonna press the upper and lower remote settings. It's gonna, the motor is gonna move, it's supposed to move. Okay, so now I gotta press the stop button until it moves. So now I'm gonna just go up and down, and it just goes down in increments. To reset it back, just follow the same settings. And that is it for tilt mode. You can also have one favorite position per motor. So I'm gonna do a favorite position that's about 1/3 of the way for the window. So I'm just gonna go to the desired position that I want it to be at, and this is somewhere I like. And now I'm just gonna save it by pressing the P button on the back of the remote. So now I gotta press stop and press stop again. Now all I have to do is just go to the favorite position by pressing stop twice most of the time. So I'm just gonna go back up, but I'll just press the stop button for 2 seconds. It will go to my favorite position.
And that is it for our review for this 100% blackout smart blind by Beasen. I just love the ease of use and convenience for these blinds. Not only that, but it's also very low maintenance, especially with the solar accessories and the long battery life for the motor. I love how I don't have to interact with any more blackout curtains behind the bed, which was kind of inconvenient to open and close. I don't also need to interact with some of the manual blinds out there in the markets that are also very hard to open and close.
Okay, I set the curtain to 80%.
And that is it for our review. If you'd like this product, please go ahead and check out our description box below. Thank you everyone for watching.